Isn't it annoying when your phone buzzes all day long with notifications you just don't need? Especially when it comes to your Monzo bank account. Yes, those instant notifications when you spend are one of Monzo's best features, but if you're like me, sometimes you get a little bit of notification overload. Maybe you're getting pinged for every tiny transaction, or perhaps you're tired of seeing every update or promotion. If you've been wondering if there's a way to cut through the noise and only see the Monzo notifications that genuinely matter to you, then you've come to the right place. The good news is that Monzo gives you some great control over what hits your lock screen. It's quick, simple, and you can tweak it to suit exactly how you use your money. Here's how you can customize your Monzo notifications and take back some peace and quiet. Accessing notification settings. First, open your Monzo app. In the top left corner of your home screen, you'll see your profile picture. Give that a tap. This takes you to your main menu. From here, you'll want to find the settings cog. It's usually near the bottom. Tap on that, and then look for the option that says Notifications. That's where all the magic happens. Toggle your preferences. Once you're in the notification screen, you'll see a list of different types of alerts, each with a toggle switch next to it. This is where you can be selective. The main one you'll want to manage is transactions and payments. If you want a ping for every single time money moves in or out of your account, leave this on. But if you want to silence those tiny coffee purchases and only get alerts for bigger spends, this is the one you might turn off. You'll also see options for things like news and updates. This covers product announcements, new features, or general information from Monzo. If you're not interested in the latest app news, toggle this one off. Overdraft notifications. This is a crucial one. Monzo can send you alerts if you're nearing your limit, which is super helpful for avoiding unexpected fees. I recommend keeping this one on. Lending promotions or cashback offers. If you don't want to see in-app advertising or promotions for Monzo products like loans or their credit card, make sure these toggles are in the off position. It's worth noting that if you switch off transactions and payments, you'll still see those spend and receive details inside the app, but you won't get the instant push notification on your phone. A note on device settings. While the Monzo app gives you granular control over what they send you, if you want to turn off all Monzo notifications entirely, or perhaps manage their sounds and vibration patterns, you'll need to do that through your phone's main settings menu. Just head to your phone's main settings, find apps, scroll to Monzo, and adjust the permissions there. And that's all there is to it. By taking just a minute or two to customize these settings, you can ensure your Monzo is only pinging you when you need to be alerted, leaving you free to enjoy a quieter, less distracted day. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.